guys, my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I've stripped this nail down from its previous design and I've already done my cuticle work. So coming in with the nail prep and the Ultra Bond primer. So I'm going to be using a kohl powder that I've not used in any of the videos before, but I think it's going to work really well on this design. So this one is called Petal. And it's beautiful. I should use it more often. So I've got my Nailchemy A8 brush. Got my Nailchemy medium speed monomer, and just with this petal I'm going to be doing a full cover. So it's not white, it's not pink, but it has, I'm not sure if you can pick it up on the camera. It has got a beautiful shimmer to it, like a, would you say it's got a blue shimmer in it?
It's opalescent, so in some
it's beautiful anyway.
Yeah, it looks pinky in one light and bluey in another.
Yeah, it's really pretty. Like I say, I really should use it more often. But with the design that we're doing, it's going to give a perfect background for it. So I am working in smaller beads. It is quite warm in here. So usually I work in 2 beads. But my acrylics are setting a little bit too quick for my liking. So we're just going to take it a little bit steadier. The more I use this, the more I like it. Don't forget to tilt the nail down on your cuticle bead. Mind you, it's that bloody warm in here. It's not going to have a chance to flood your cuticle. It's set before it gets to your cuticle.
Yeah, but no one needs great big cuticles.
Okay. Oh, I love it. So I don't think you can pick it up on the camera.
Well, it is proper shimmering.
I'm going to really zoom in, see if you can.
Oh, you can now.
A little bit, yeah. So it's picking up white on the camera, but it's actually, I don't know. It's pretty. Buy it. Go on the website now and buy it. That's all you need to know. Right, so I am going to wait for this nail to set, get it all filed up, and I will be back in a minute. Right, we're all filed up, and I've given it a little buff as well, just because I want a nice smooth surface. So I'm going to be using Onyx. So I'm just going to pop, I'm going to need a little bit of this. Just going to pop some of that on this tin foil and some of the no wipe top coat. Because we're going to make a smoky black. So you're only going to need a little bit of that black. So I can already see that's too much black. And I always forget that I'm only ever doing one nail. Like this would be more than enough for
a whole set.
In fact, actually, if we put that on thin enough, that would spread out, look. But we'll get to that in a minute. I'm just going to pop this to one side just for a second. I'm using the Nailchemy Black Artisan paint, and I've got my, I thought that was thunder then. I've got my 10mm liner. I think it was somebody putting the bin out. Right, so I'm just going to pop a little bit of this on my thumb and just load my brush up. Right, so I'm going to be painting a deep smile in this, but not too deep, because I'm going to be doing a little bit of artwork on the free edge. So let's say about there. And then I like to marry up my smile lines, make sure that they're nice and even, those points. And then it's just a bit of a free-for-all, like a perfect correct the dot situation. Make sure you've not got too much on your brush. Usually when I'm painting a free edge, the entire extension is the same colour, so I can be a little bit sloppy with it, but that's not the case on this design. I'll tell you what would be really handy now, my glasses. They would be really handy.
Know where they are.
It's alright, I'll be alright. Right, to do the other side, I'm going to flip. Let's move you around. I'm going to flip Sam's hand over just because I am right-handed and I find this easier. Not saying that it's going to be symmetrical, but we can hope. Take that up to that point. Okay, flip that back around for me, Sam. Hey, we're not far off. That just needs a little bit of perfecting. So I always like, if I'm doing smile lines like this, just the line and not colouring it in, I always like this section at the bottom to be nice and prominent. And then, now I need my glasses. Hold that thought. Yay for glasses. Yeah, so I like this section down here to be nice and thick. Not thick, but thicker than the rest of it up here. Coming up to a nice thin line. And I just need to... just flip your hand around again for me, please, Sam. Just this section here is bugging me a little bit. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Right, pop that in the lamp for me, please, Sam. Yeah, I always forget that I'm only ever doing one nail and I have enough product for 2 full clients, never mind one nail. Right, so we're going to be painting this on. So let's use, what brush shall we use? The gel art brush maybe? Yeah. So where is it? There it is, gel art brush. And that looks like this. So hopefully within a look, I'm going to paint this on, and obviously this is cured now, so if it's not, oh no, that's perfect, look. That's perfect. So I don't want it completely coloured in. I just want a bit of a grey really, without using a grey. So this is going to be the background for the design. So you can paint this on in layers if you want it a little bit darker. You can build it up in layers, or alternatively just add more black, but I think that actually is what we need. Okay, Sam, whack that in the lamp for me. See, I've got enough there, which would do. That would last me till the end of the year. Never mind. Right, so back in with the 10mm liner. Load your brush up again. Right, so this is going to be the centre of the web. So we're always going to pull out from the centre of the web. And I'm going to do it in a little bit of a curve. So by pulling out from the centre, you'll end up with your thickest part in there, and then they will get thinner. This is going to remind me of those bloody sweets again, Campinos, with the spiral. Okay, flip that over and bend again for me. There, thank you.
Looks like eyelashes.
Okay, flip that back over for me, and I'm going to use the Ultrafine Treble Zero because we need to connect this web. So we're just gonna, you don't need a lot on your brush because obviously all these other lines, let's zoom in a little bit for this. all these other lines are wet, so you're basically going to be pinching product. I've got in my brush. Got something in it. It's not playing ball. So you can add as many or as few of these as you want. But obviously you need to follow it. So this can be a little time consuming. Feel free to fast forward this bit, Dave. Dun, dun, dun. That's better. I had something stuck in my brush. And see how much nicer it's working now. What's up, Lando?
I just come to check you're still here, Mum. Now I'm off.
I've not gone anywhere, mate. Last couple. Okay, when you're happy, that can go into the lamp. And on this nail, we are using the Velvet Matte Top Coat.
Oh, I like this
Gonna
one
make
as well,
it
even though I'm a shiny type of girl.
Yeah. Okay, pop that in the lamp. I'm pretty certain I was completely off screen for all of that. Just the last bit, just the top coat bit. Not the entire nail. God, no. Not that stupid. Right, cuticle oil, my love. Do you want bubble gum? Yeah, we've not used bubble gum yet today.
Yeah.
Let's use the bubble gum.
It's only kiwi I don't like.
I don't think, no, there isn't a kiwi one.
No, it's a kiwi cleanser.
There's one, yes. Kiwi cleanser. You're not keen on kiwis, are you? Okay, pop that one out. Oh, it's that one, isn't it? Oh, yeah. So, matte nail, ever so careful with the cuticle oil. Not to completely cover the nail because you'll make it shiny. Mr. Max, should you be eating that? He's just come in with a branch, as you do. For those of you that don't know, Max is my dog, not a child. And there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.